We have done the followings for epidemic prevention in public transport. Vehicles are thoroughly disinfected before and after each trip. Passenger contact parts such as swipe machines, coin boxes, seats, armrests, railings, pull rings, etc. are emphatically sterilized after each trip. The air return filter net of air conditioner and the carriage are washed and disinfected every day. At least one window each on the left and the right side of the vehicle must be open for ventilation during operation. When it is unsuitable to open the window in rainy or snowy weather, the ventilation function shall be turned on. The garbage must be disinfected before being emptied. Passengers' vomit and dripping liquid must be cleaned and disinfected in time. Health QR code is posted on the entrance door, while disinfection and epidemic prevention QR code and Zhengzhou Public Vehicle Disinfection Record Form are posted on the alighting door. Epidemic prevention tips themed carriages are operated on multiple lines, hanging banners to enhance publicity of epidemic prevention and control.